today we're going to talk about this word, supercompensation. What is supercompensation? You may have heard it before, you may not have. Basically what supercompensation is the growth or improvement of performance by adding a stress and then removing a stress, okay? What happens to systems when they encounter stress, okay? And when I say stress, what I'm talking about is, for our situation, let's talk about just working out, okay? Let's say it's back squats. So this is my back squat, right? These are my leg muscles, my posterior chain, my glutes, my hamstrings, all of those things, right? The systems required for a back squat, they're right here. I come in and today I do a back squat workout. What happens to that system, right? This is the system. That system then becomes fatigued, right? I've added stress, I've tired it out, I've used up the resources required to perform that function. Okay, so my system is now tired, all right? What I have to do is I have to give it time. Okay, time to do what? Time to recover, okay? Recovery, this is recovery time. Recovery, right? So then my performance goes back up. Does it go back up to the same level? No, if I apply the right amount of stress for where I'm at in performing, it should come up higher than where it started, okay? This difference in performance, this increase in performance is what we call supercompensation, okay? Increasing performance by adding a stress, giving it time to recover and improve, okay? What does this mean, okay? When it comes to working out, when it comes to doing programming for putting a week's or a month's or 3 months worth of programs together for your workouts, what this means is, and this is very important because a lot of people don't get this, what this means is that recovery equals growth, okay? Doing more stress does not make you stronger, does not make you faster, okay? Adding stress, if I were to just continually work out, do 2-a-days for a month, right? Keep doing the same lifts over and over again in a week, what does that do? That just degrades the system, and now I'm going down. I never get this recovery, much less added and increased performance. You have to give your body time to recover so that you can grow.